Hey there, my name is Vern, and I'm proud to present my app, Florida GreenGuard AI. Florida GreenGuard AI is a tool developed to help streamline the process of non-native plant species identification. So non-native plant species can be weeds or other flora that aren't native to a given area, but invasive species are non-native species that when not in their natural habitat can outcompete native plant life and cause ecosystem harm. So this isn't to say that all non-native plant species are harmful to the environment, but it's true that even small invasive weeds have the ability to rapidly reproduce and outcompete native plants for resources in the soil. So I wanted to build a tool that can help people take a step in the direction of becoming aware of these species and the potential danger to the Florida ecosystem. So, taking a look around my yard, it is beautiful, but there are a bit of weeds that I've taken over, specifically this little critter that I've picked up. So let's test our app with it. Hello, and welcome to the app. We are in our main activity, so kind of like the main screen. We have our invasive species detection part of the app. So I kind of just take you through all of the different pages. So we have our plant health center, which is here, which can detect like plant elements, like whether a plant might be lacking in nitrogen or phosphorus or something like that can like decrease their health, and the invasive species detection. So we'll go here first. We have a few buttons that we can select from. So to get an image, we can select from our gallery or use a camera. I don't actually have an Android device plugged in. This is an emulator, so it probably won't be of much use, but I do have lots of images selected here, and the one weed I found in my backyard, so let's try that out. So the model detected that it is Durban crowfoot grass. We have our AI generated text here. So it can tell you exactly what it is and kind of its status as an invasive species. Next up, we can go to our plant health center. Let's test out one of the plants I found in my backyard that looked kind of weird. I know that when a plant gets like kind of purple around it, that can mean that maybe something's wrong. So maybe the image classification model that is in the app can show me exactly what's up. So it's saying that it's a phosphorus deficiency, and we can wait for a little more information on that. So cool, it's saying here that it can result in stunted growth. And just to quickly touch on what has to be my favorite part of the app, we have our window to the OpenAI library. Here's where we're able to call the API and gain access to the large language model, specifically the GPT 3.5 Turbo model. So what it does is it utilizes chat completions to return a detailed description of whatever plant is passed into it as the label for the plant is passed into the chat completion request variable. So it's called in our pop-up activity to facilitate the large language model return text. And before I forget to mention, the project is written in Java, XML, and Kotlin. So in the end, I'd like to take one last moment to thank the Congressional App Challenge. I'd also like to thank the District Representative Vern Buchanan and the District Judges. This challenge has pushed me to develop an application that I can say that I'm proud of. Thank you so much.